Hey guys, here's a quick video on how to update an assembly if you forgot to do some additional takeoff. So here in this workflow, I have automatic pricing turned off. I've already drawn my takeoff here. So I have a few takeoff palettes completed. So I have this one and I have this one, and I've already mapped my assembly, and I have mapped one line item here. So I need to map this other line item. So if I go to my estimate tab, here go my assembly here. So let's make this easier to follow. Let's rip this off and put this next to here. Then in my estimate tab, there we go. Let's make this smaller. And we don't need, so my assembly is done. We don't need the cost database. Let's make that smaller here. So here we go. Got my takeoff palette, got my takeoff summary. I have my assembly mapped, and I want to redo additional takeoff. So the way you want to do that is in the estimate tab, you want to make sure you sort it by assembly in the grouping, and then you want to click on the assembly header here. What that does, it rehydrates the assembly and it brings everything back up. So say for instance, I've missed something in my takeoff summary here. So I've missed a joint. I don't want to map the joint here. So once I select that, once I select the joint, then it's going to populate all my takeoff information here. So I can say, let's say I want to put some concrete placement in my assembly. So I add that. Let's give it some waste factor here. And sure, let's add some more line item. Let's say my joint here, and I want to grab the length of my joint. Let's make this a little bigger, easy to follow. Then I can drag this and put that there, and then now I have 3 additional line items that I want to add to my assembly. Now I hit update, and those line items are added to my assembly. So the workflow is always to make sure you group by assembly and then click on the assembly header, and that would rehydrate the assembly in the bottom in the cost information view. Make your changes and then hit update, and that is how you update your assembly if you forgot to do some additional takeoff. All right, thank you very much.